I'm going to preface this by saying this is specifically for the Windows Store / Game Pass version of the Outer Worlds. However, the unlocker we're using should work for the Epic Game Store version as well, but the Sunbeam version will not work for the Windows version. So we're going to be focusing specifically on this version here. All right, so there's going to be a few components to this guide. The first part will be how to actually inject the console unlocker so that you have access to the console in the Outer Worlds. The second part will be how to bind the console to a specific key in the rare case that it is not already bound. And the third part will be how to specifically use the no-clip mode that very much does exist in the game, despite many people being unable to discover it. First of all, we need to click this link here. All the links will be in the description. It'll bring us to a mega page. Just hit download. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. Once you've downloaded it, just extract it wherever you'd like. I stuck mine on my desktop. All right, now I'm going to show you how to access the keybinds for the console in the rare case that it's just not bound. So you need to go into your app data folder. If you don't know how to find this, first of all, type folder options in Windows search. Make sure in the View tab, Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is selected. Once you do that, go to this address here, go to your local drive, wherever Windows is installed, users, select your user, and then go to app data. It will be a hidden folder. After that, go local, scroll down to packages. Now scroll down until you find Private Division, The Outer Worlds. Go into local cache. Go into local, Indiana, saved, config, Windows no editor, and here we are. Now open your input file in Notepad. Now I have put this in the description below so you can just go copy it and paste it, but this is what you want to type here. Keep in mind there needs to be an empty line above it, one single empty line, so don't paste it up here, paste it one line down. Once that's done, just hit save, Control S or save, close that, you're good to go. It's now bound to Tilde, everything's good. Now all we need to do is launch the Outer Worlds, open this up. Now this is crucial, wait until the splash screen is done. If you don't wait until the splash screen is finished, there's a chance that this won't work. You can't inject it too soon. Now this is the screen you want to be at when you actually inject it. So open up this folder here, right click, run as administrator. All right, here we go. Here's the injector. Hit select, find the Outer Worlds process. This is it here, should just be at the top. Hit select, and now hit inject DLL. And injection succeeded. There we are. Do not close this console window. Just minimize it. Do not close it. It will close the game if you do. Just a heads up, I have disabled the HUD and all dialogue so as to avoid spoilers. Alright, so hitting the tilde key, which is the key above tab and to the left of 1, will bring up your console. If you hit it a second time, it'll bring up a bigger version. Now what we want to do is, if you see here, you want to type this, toggledebugcamera. Type that in, hit enter, and it'll enable a debug camera. This will not move your player character around. As far as the game is concerned, you are still standing right here in this spot or wherever you were standing when you enabled it. This is specifically a camera. Can be really great for photo mode, but it is not moving your character. Just a quick tip, if you are interested in using this for exploration means, the mouse wheel will actually change the speed the camera moves. Alright, so what we want to do now is let's get into Phineas's lab here. So what we're going to do is go through it. Now point your crosshair wherever you actually want to move to. Once that's done, bring up your console again, type teleport, and then type toggle debug camera again to disable it. And here we are. We have now teleported inside of Phineas's lab, or wherever you'd like to teleport to. Please let me know in the comments if something didn't work right, if you need any help with anything. I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy exploring the Outer Worlds.